Can you guess the class by its sound? Hello, fuckers. Today we're guessing some Battle Royale classes just by their unique sounds. We've got 3 levels: easy, normal, and hard. 1 class per level. Ready? Let's begin. Easy level. Cue sound.
Holographic decoys released.
Countdown. That's the Trickster class, one of the most popular and most used in Battle Royale. Normal level. Cue sound. Countdown. That's the Rewind class. Was that one too easy? Hard level. Cue sound. Countdown. That's the Misdirection class.